folks. My name is Brian Blazak, and the pull that we got was a Lil Bob LX. And we started the project, I believe it was sometime in August, with the pull being turned over, I think it was in October. It was more of a bribe, to be honest. My wife, she loves the heat, she loves water. Talked about moving to Florida. However, my issue with Florida is not a big fan of heat, not a big fan of humidity, not a big fan of hurricanes. So I talked to her, I says, hey, what if we bring a little bit of Florida to us by putting a pool in, and then we can just visit Florida. And that's kind of how it got rolling in that. It was more of a bribe. The biggest thing was when we first started looking was visiting the website. And the thing that I liked about Royal Pool's website was it had the competitors listed on the site. And we reached out to Royal, we reached out to one other local pool manufacturer. However, the other pool manufacturer that we canceled that appointment because it made such an impression on me that your website would include these other competitors and the types of pools that you could get. You know, that was the other thing. It took you right to, you know, all the different types of options you have. And that even when the salesman came out, you know, the books that were provided, and you didn't see that in the other ones. And that, like I said, that I think a lot of people, you know, utilize websites. I mean, I go to websites when I buy cars to see stuff and that, and it was just that struck me as being just, you know, top. So everything was great. I mean, from the start to the end, and that they were constantly kind of letting us know at what point what they were doing and that. So that went really smooth, and that there was no time that we were unsure of what was happening. So the communication that they had with us throughout the whole project was, you know, really went far too with us. So Gordy was excellent, like from start to finish. I mean, everything that he did. The only thing I could say that against Gordy was that he came up with too many good ideas that we landed up implementing into the pool, which I know costs us more money. But, you know, it was his ideas and a lot of things that he suggested, like, you know, doing the concrete to the back area and moving this around and doing that, just his input into everything. And, I mean, any questions we had, I mean, Gordy was like on top of it. You know, he was excellent. You know, when we first started, I mean, it was, I think we kind of were going basic. You know, we decided at first we were going to just go with standard concrete and just the normal pool and not really kind of do anything other than that. And the more we talked, like I think with Gordy and other people and that, and even amongst me and my wife, you know, we just decided that we didn't want to have the backyard kind of look like a public pool, you know, with just regular concrete and nothing to give it any flair. So that's kind of where things started going, where we started discussing the different types of concrete, the stamped concrete, the stain wash over it, different coloring, and it just took off from there. You know, I would say that the biggest thing with me was go to the website, you know, read the reviews. There's so many people that we've talked to when we mentioned, you know, when they ask, like, who did your pool, we say Royal Pool, and they're like, oh, they're excellent. You know, and I mean, even to a point when we had our electricity put in for the pergola or the gazebo, I was talking to my electrician, and he asked, like, who did the pool, and said Royal Pool, and he's like, got nothing to worry about. They're fantastic, you know. So I would suggest to anybody, just, you know, go out, read the reviews. That's a big part of things. And you know, when you go out and you look at the Google reviews, I mean, you guys are right at almost 5 stars. So that in itself is tops, you know. And the website that Royal had was just, it was so detailed. And again, like I said, showing the difference, showing the competitors, and that was really something that struck me as being something that you don't see. You don't see a company putting their competitors on and saying, well, you know, try them or go to them to see what they have to offer, you know. And that just went a long way with me, you know. My mind was made up to go with Royal at that point, you know, before I even talked to anybody at the company. So, well, you know, I would say my wife goes to Florida a lot and stuff like that, so I know she's been enjoying the heat and the humidity here and that. But I think it's comparable, you know. Yeah, I think it's comparable. So, You know, at least we don't have to worry about hurricanes, so that's a good thing. So, oh yeah, so we have a Bernese Mountain Dog named Estrella, and we have a Golden Retriever named Sully. Sully really loves the pool a lot. I think Estrella does too, but she hasn't been in it too much because she is a show dog and that, and sometimes, you know, it might dry out their coat and that. But Sully is a fantastic swimmer. You know, he gets in and he's real smooth. Estrella, she's a slapper and that, and we've never had him in both because the one time we did at a different location when we used to take him swimming, she does try to drown him. So it's like it's playtime in that, and she's bigger, so she will go on top of him and push him under the water. So they do swim separately, but Sully's been in maybe about 3 times this year, and Estrella's been twice. Because yeah, going with, you know, when we were researching about vinyl liners, you know, we didn't want to have, you know, the possibility of a dog scratching or ripping the vinyl liner and that. And then the other, which I believe is kind of like a concrete-based pull, I know those are just a lot of maintenance, you know, a lot of expense that goes into it, and a lot of refinishing, you know, over a period of years that you have to do to those. So, you know, fiberglass was like just a no-brainer in that, just to, you know, due to its durability. We're just enjoying it. You know, it's been a great thing, and I'm happy. You know, it was one of the things. My wife's always, like I said, she's always loved water and that, and it's just nice to see the pool being used. You know, she uses it almost on a daily basis when the sun's out shining and it's hot. You know, she's at the pool. You know, it's been a great addition to the backyard. Yeah, and we've had several parties, a lot of people that have come over and that, and we have a couple of neighbors down the block that kind of join us on a regular basis and that, and that's the good thing with the Lil Bob. You know, it does have so many different levels and that, and just a lot of times she'll just be sitting on the edge. You could put your feet in where there's another little ledge within the pool that makes it, you know, there's so many different, you know, seating arrangements in the pool, and just it's been great because we've been, you know, having a lot of friends come over and that, and it's been a great summer.